Hello YouTube. It's been a while. It's been a long since November, I think, that I uploaded a video. But I got a message from, let's see, Jack Humphrey. I hope he doesn't mind I'm saying his name. He sent me a picture of something and he asked me if I had a video about this. I told him no, it didn't look familiar to me. So he went ahead and asked somebody else on YouTube. And he found out that the name of this stitch was Jack's Nuts. And he actually told me how to do it. So I thought I'll give it a try and I'll make a video about it. So the way you make this stitch is you do two first, just the first part of your double stitch, but 2 times, and then the second part 2 times. First part 2 times, second part 2 times. So first part 2 times and second part 2 times. Again, first part 2 times, second part 2 times. So you end up with something like this. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, and then I did just a regular double stitch, and my needle is bent, but I'm gonna try to put them side by side and see if you can notice the difference. I'm gonna have to, let me see how I can do this. So this is the Jack's Nuts, and then this is the regular. Okay, since my needle's bent, it's not really doing what I want to. So let me show you. I made a flower. So this is with the regular double stitch, and this is with knots, with Jack's knot. Do you see the difference? It's kind of curly, right? It's like wavy compared to that regular double stitch. So there you have it. Thank you, Jack, for the suggestion. I know everybody's going through some stuff right now. My school closed, so all the kids at my school are off until April 14, until further notice. Let's see, the lines at the store are super long. We cannot find toilet paper. I don't know why toilet paper, but people are just taking all the toilet paper. They're going into a panic and buying, and they're not really leaving any food for anybody else. I don't want to take a lot of this time to talk about the coronavirus, but I would like to hear from you. Like, let me know which city, state, country you are, and what are you seeing. It's kind of, I don't know, it's kind of weird to see this. So yeah, there you have it. Please leave a comment. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching. And at least we have tatting to kill some time and get our minds off these crazy times right now. So happy tatting.